Have you ever stopped to wonder how your thoughts, emotions, and energy shape the events in your life? It's not just coincidence or luck, it's an intricate dance of energy. The way you manipulate this energy determines the quality of your experiences and even creates quantum events in your reality. Your energy is the foundation of everything you manifest. Every thought you think, every feeling you hold, and every belief you cling to radiates energy. This energy interacts with the infinite possibilities in the quantum field to draw experiences toward you. Think of yourself as a magnet, constantly pulling into your life what aligns with the vibration you're emitting. If you're emitting chaos, you'll encounter chaos. If you're radiating peace and abundance, those qualities will find their way into your life. The first step to manipulating your energy is awareness. What is the quality of your inner dialogue? What feelings dominate your day? Awareness is not judgment, it's a gentle noticing of what you're creating within yourself. Once you become aware, you have the power to shift. A powerful way to shift your energy is through focused imagination. Imagination is not just idle daydreaming, it is the engine of creation. When you vividly imagine the reality you desire, you align your energy with the outcome you wish to experience. But here's the key, you must feel as though it's already true. Let your body and emotions embody the joy, gratitude, and excitement of having what you desire. This is not merely a mental exercise, it's an energetic alignment. Now, let's talk about belief. Your beliefs act as filters that determine what your energy can and cannot access in the quantum field. If you believe something is impossible, your energy will not even attempt to align with it. But when you expand your beliefs, even slightly, you open the door for new possibilities. Start small if you must, but dare to believe in outcomes that excite and inspire you. Emotions are another critical piece. Think of emotions as the language of energy. Positive emotions such as love, gratitude, and joy amplify your energy and make it resonate with higher possibilities. Negative emotions like fear, doubt, or anger lower your frequency and make it harder to attract desirable outcomes. This doesn't mean you should suppress or ignore negative emotions, acknowledge them, but don't let them dominate your state. One technique that's incredibly effective in manipulating your energy is living as if. Live as if you already have what you desire. Speak, act, and feel as though your dream is your reality. This isn't about pretending, it's about shifting your state of being. When you act from the energy you already have, you're sending a powerful signal to the quantum field that aligns events and opportunities with your desired state. Let's also consider the power of stillness. The busyness of life often scatters your energy, making it difficult to focus and align. Take moments of stillness to center yourself. In this stillness, visualize the energy you want to radiate. It might feel like peace, joy, or excitement, whatever aligns with the reality you wish to create. This focused stillness amplifies your ability to manifest. Gratitude is another tool that cannot be overstated. When you cultivate gratitude for what you already have, you raise your energetic vibration. Gratitude sends a signal to the quantum field that you are ready to receive even more. Every morning, take a moment to list things you're grateful for and feel the energy of thankfulness radiate from you. Another critical aspect of manipulating your energy lies in understanding the concept of alignment with your intentions. When you set an intention, you are essentially issuing a directive to the universe. But intention alone is not enough, it requires your entire being to align with that directive. This means that your thoughts, words, actions, and even your subconscious patterns must move in harmony with what you are asking for. It's like tuning a radio to the right frequency, only then can you clearly receive the signal. One way to ensure alignment is by regularly reflecting on whether your daily habits support your desired reality. Are you surrounding yourself with people who uplift you? Are you engaging in activities that bring you closer to your goals? If your environment or behavior contradicts your intentions, you'll struggle to see results. The energy you project is shaped not just by your inner state but also by the external influences you allow into your life. Understanding the power of detachment is equally important. Detachment doesn't mean you stop caring about your desires, it means you release the need to control how and when they manifest. Often, when people focus too intently on a specific outcome, they inadvertently project fear and desperation, which can block the flow of energy. When you let go of the need for control, you signal trust in the process, and your energy becomes more fluid and expansive. Another layer to consider is the importance of timing. The quantum field operates on a level that we may not always understand. Sometimes, the energy you emit requires time to organize events and circumstances in your favor. Patience is not about waiting passively but continuing to hold the vibration of your desired outcome while allowing the universe to work its magic. Every seed you plant has its own season to bloom, and trusting this process amplifies your ability to manifest. Energy manipulation is also deeply tied to self-perception. The way you see yourself shapes your reality in profound ways. If you see yourself as unworthy or incapable, that energy will ripple outward, limiting what you can attract. On the other hand, when you view yourself as deserving, capable, and abundant, your energy radiates confidence and possibility. This shift in self-perception isn't about arrogance, it's about acknowledging your inherent value and potential. Now let's explore the role of persistence. Energy manipulation is not about quick fixes, it's about consistency and perseverance. Every time you consciously align your energy with your desires, you're building momentum. Even on days when doubt creeps in, return to the practices that center and empower you. Over time, this persistence transforms fleeting moments of alignment into a steady state of being, making quantum events inevitable. A final point to get into is the interconnectedness of all things. The energy you emit doesn't exist in isolation, it interacts with the collective energy of those around you and the environment you inhabit. This interconnectedness means that even small shifts in your energy can have a ripple effect, influencing outcomes far beyond what you might immediately perceive. This is why acts of kindness, gratitude, and generosity are so powerful. When you uplift others, you elevate your own energy and contribute to a field of positivity that benefits everyone. Consistency is crucial. Manipulating your energy is not a one-time act, it's a daily practice. Think of it like planting seeds. The more consistently you nurture the seeds of positive energy, the more you will see those seeds blossom into the events and experiences you desire. This practice doesn't require force or struggle. In fact, the more relaxed and trusting you are, the more easily your energy will align with what you desire. Trust the process, trust yourself, and trust that the quantum field is working in perfect harmony with your energy. You are not a passive observer of reality, you are its creator. Your energy is your tool, your language, and your power. Use it wisely, and the quantum events you desire will unfold naturally and effortlessly in your life. As we draw this video to a close, I want to leave you with some key insights. You are far more powerful than you realize, and your energy holds the potential to shape your reality in ways that are beyond what you may currently imagine. It's not about forcing outcomes or controlling every detail, it's about understanding the natural laws that govern energy and working in harmony with them.